Hi guys, the Pocket 2 is a great little compact camera, but what are the best settings to get the very highest quality out of this little camera? Well, let's find out. Hi, my name is Tim from 40 Tech, and in today's video I'm going to reveal what are the best settings to get the very highest quality out of the DJI Pocket 2. Right, let's get straight to business. We need to swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the settings of the Pocket 2. Then swipe right till you see the quality settings. Now here are some options to choose between battery saver and high quality. Now if you want the very best quality, then I suggest you set this to high quality. However, for my aging eyes at least, I haven't actually seen any difference between the two settings. So the high quality option consumes a lot more battery power compared to the battery saver option. So I actually suggest you leave it at the battery saver mode. But if you actually do prefer, of course, go to the high quality setting. Now check out this video linked up here where I experiment with these two quality settings to see the difference between them. Next, the Pocket 2 has a maximum resolution of 4K for the very best resolution video. Now to access the resolution settings, click on the bottom left hand corner and you should see the resolution setting pop up. On the left is the resolution where you have the choice of HD, 2K or 4K, so of course make sure that 4K is selected. And that's it, that's the two things to change to get the very best quality out of the Pocket 2. So what do I suggest is the next video to watch? Well, if you're interested in taking videos in low light, then the next video up here could be of interest. Or if you like to do cinematic style videos, then I also have a video here that walks you through the very best settings to generate cinematic style videos. Okay friends, well I hope that's useful, and of course in return please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I'm trying to get the channel up to the infamous 1000 subscriber count, so please hit that subscribe button to show your support if you haven't done it already. And I really appreciate it, of course. If you have any questions on the Pocket 2, then of course leave them in the comments below, and other than that I shall see you soon on the next video.